Today I'm not going to play pool, but instead I'm going to share my knowledge with you people that how was this introduced and the entire history of pool. The pool table consists of 6 pockets which split the cushions and are built into the rails. Snooker is placed on the table similar to a pool table, but which uses 9 to 15 balls. So to summarize, billiards is placed on the table without pockets. So now I'm going to tell you why was the name snooker kept. The name snooker is derived from a nickname given to the cadet soldiers involved in the first watching, playing and developing the game in India. In the 19th century, these young soldiers from the Royal Military Academy and Woolwich were nicknamed snookers, and the game has stuck ever since. And now I'm going to tell you in which city was the snooker invented. Luckily, it was in Jabalpur, India. The game of snooker was invented in 1875 in Jabalpur, India, and has since grown into a major international sport with a global television audience of 500 million people. So which country was snooker famous in? Since its humble beginnings, snooker has always been a popular sport in the UK. In recent years, however, the identity of the game has begun to change as its popularity has spread to other countries. And the primary being is China. So snooker is played using a cue and a snooker ball. One white ball which is known as cue ball. 15 red balls worth 1 point. Sometimes played with a fewer red balls, commonly 6 or 10. And 6 balls of different colors. Yellow contains 2 points. Green contains 3 points. Brown contains 4 points. Blue contains 5 points. Pink contains 6 points. And last but not the least, black contains the highest number of points, which is 7 points. So do follow Over Explore for more videos like this. Thank you.